Welcome to Longze Machinery. This is Jerry. Today I introduce to you our new generation full automatic pellet stove. You can see this is our smallest model pellet stove. It can heat 80 square meters of your living house. We also have a bigger size. It can heat 100 square meter, 150 square meter, 300 square meter, until 500 square meter of your living house. Now I introduce to you some details of our pellet stove. Now you can see this is the complete set of the stove. From here you can see we have a large area of a heating part, and this is a glass window, and from through this window you can see the pellet burning status inside of our pellet stove. If you open this window, you can see that here is an hopper. The function is for collecting the ash. Now our pellet stove, it can use wood pellet, straw pellet, rice husk pellet, palm pellet, or any other different type of pellet. The size of the pellet can be 6 millimeters, 8 millimeters, 10 millimeters. And this is 6 millimeters wood pellet. This is 8 millimeters wood pellet. And here you can see this is the electric motor of our stove. And this one is the electric start, full automatic one. This can start the fire automatically. And this part is the central computer control system. It fixes inside of our pellet stove. And here, this one is our operation panel. And from the behind of our stove, here is a pipe. The function of this pipe is for inject smoke. We sent to you 1.5 meters, so you can put this pipe outside of your house, inject smoke. How to operate this pellet stove? This part is the pellet hopper. You can put the different kind of pellet into this hopper. It can load 10 kilograms to 30 kilograms. And we close this window. Now we can start the operation panel. I will introduce to you the very detail how to operate this pellet stove. From here is the power button. You just start this button, and this pellet stove is a full automatic working. It's a automatic feeding pellet, automatic heating, automatic inject stove smoke, and automatic control the temperature. From here, this data shows the temperature. This data shows the smoke injector. This data shows the air heating. And this data shows the pellet feeding. From these two buttons, it can control the pellet feeding fast or slow. And here, these two buttons, it shows the smoke inject fast or slow. And this button is the fire button. It's the heating button. The heating button, it's automatic working. We already set the suitable parameter for the pellet stove. It has a small, medium, and large function for heating the your house. and you can set the room temperature. For example, you set the room temperature 25 degree, and this pellet stove will automatic working. It always control the temperature of your room 25 degree. You no need to do any other operations for this stove. And this stove, the consumption of our stove, every 1 hour it uses 1.2 kilograms pellet, and it has to connect with your electric wire, single phase, and every 10 hours the electric consumption is 1 kilowatt hours. The fire starts automatically. You no need to start fire by manually. And we have another water stove. This stove is a kind of a multifunctional stove. From here, you put the pellet to this hopper, and this part is for cooking. And this stove is a kind of a water boiler. It also can connect it with your heat radiator. And from here you can see this is the output hot water. This is the input cold water. And through this water boiler, and you can heat your room with the heating radiators. This stove can connect with the max 6 pieces heating radiators. It also can connect with your floor radiator. And from here, you can add the cold water into our water boiler. So for your different requirements, you can contact me and let me know your row house. You need the square meters you need to heat. Then we can recommend to you the most suitable pellet stove. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye. Ayan,